let's take a look at how to use the snow mode on the Honda Odyssey. So this is useful if you're driving in kind of snowy conditions, and it's something where it's safe to still drive without like chains or anything, but you need a bit more traction, a bit, in this case, slower acceleration, just things that make it a little bit easier to drive in snowy weather without slipping, without having wheel slip and that kind of thing. It's a very simple mode to enable. So it's just on the center console here. We're gonna go ahead and press this snow button, and you'll see it's gonna switch the driving from the normal to the snow mode. And again, that's just gonna tweak the way the power is put to the wheels, the acceleration, and other factors that are gonna make it a little bit harder for the car to slide, and use a little bit more active traction control. And obviously, you know, this isn't going to get you through like a blizzard or something without tire chains or snow tires, but if you're finding that you're getting a lot of wheel slippage or getting stuck and that kind of thing, then the snow mode can be very helpful. And then to switch it off again, we just press it again. You can see it does say on the center console when we switched from snow to normal.